Hello and welcome to this podcast series recorded by me, Ed Langley, Engineering Manager at Witekio, in collaboration with Martin Lesniak, Applications Engineer at STMicroelectronics. This series of 5 podcasts is dedicated to understanding ST's STM32MP1 microprocessor offering. Enjoy! And designing in security is very important nowadays to a lot of people looking to develop products. So when it comes to the MP1 and security, what sort of advice could you give?
Security can be difficult. There's some concepts there that maybe some folks are not aware of or not as fluent in, and in many situations there's a learning curve. So how has ST, or what has ST done to make that as easy as possible, I suppose? So we've created a framework called STM32 Trust, and it's available to all customers, and it actually covers not just the MP1, but our standard Cortex-M offering to various extent. I mean, there's some hardware dependencies there, as I'll get to shortly. So on the MP1 front, the framework consists of specially developed tools to sign code, provision devices, as well as very specific software pieces that the MP1 executes, during at runtime. The hardware plays an important role within the security equation, and the MP1 does contain very specific blocks to make that as easy as possible and make it realizable. Things like secure boot, so authentication, that the ROM code can, which is the root of trust, can continue with the chain of trust, and an OTP area where there are specific places in the OTP space where customers can put in their secrets and other credentials which are used during provisioning of the device. Of course, we also implement ARM's Trust Zone, and along with OPT, this allows users to compose a trusted execution environment, and of course, that's crucial when secure bits and pieces are required during runtime. And of course, security plays a big role when it comes to firmware updates, especially OTA. And in this case, the advice I have is the product that Witekio has, which is FullmetalUpdate, maybe a solution that customers should consider if OTA capability is essential for their product.
Yeah, thank you for the mention there. Yes, we do indeed have a sort of off-the-shelf OTA mechanism, as you say, FullmetalUpdate. It sounds like a good complement, though, so quite a comprehensive feature set there for managing security on a device. So excellent. That was Securing Your Device on the STM32MP1, a podcast by Witekio in collaboration with STMicroelectronics. Listen out soon for the 3rd episode, Making Your Products Reliable in Harsh Environments with the STM32MP1.